Half volley, over pitch, then smashed away through extra cover for 4.
It's a flowing drive in the air, and it'll be 4. That should be out. That is. That's just a regulation slip catch. Iqbal has gone, and finally England, in the shape of Hossain, get it just right. It's gone straight up in the air, and Geraint Jones is underneath that and takes it comfortably. Well, it was a risky shot, to say the least, from Habib al-Bashar. He's only been in for 3 deliveries. It's a lovely wristy flick from After Ahmed, flying away back with a square for 4. It's beaten the 4th slip and will run away for 4. It's a lovely wristy stroke again from David Omar. It's flicked away again, this time by After Ahmed, and that's 4 more. 4 more, this time through 3rd man.
So over the top of the slips, clears them easily. It's going to be 4. Oh, it's got him at the second attempt. Andrew Strauss had to juggle that one. It was travelling very quickly towards him. Oh, that's beautifully bowled. That is a really nice piece of bowling. At the end of it all, he's found the right line there. Oh, that's beautifully bowled. He's not really picked it up. Batsman got himself in a terrible tangle, and there was just enough swing there that it basically straightened up beautifully.
And that's going to be a boundary. It'll race away here. Backward point. No one's going to stop that.
Oh, big appeal for LBW here. It's out as well. Harry Haran raises the finger. Was that doing enough to come back to hit off stump?
That's away through extra cover with no great power. It's enough for 1, and there are problems here. That was very, very careless. The 1 was easy, the 2 was ambitious. The throw wasn't perfect, but Hoggard at the end did enough to collect the ball, get it onto the stumps, and it was a very, very slow turn by Mohammad Rafiq.
So the 3rd umpire's got to think. The bat is in the air.
Decision pending, there it is. It's a sad end. That's the way to do it. It's taken 3 balls from Steve Hossain just to get the line absolutely right. He's got the end is nigh for this Bangladesh first innings. It's a lovely delivery. That's the edge which finishes off the innings. Hoggard does indeed claim his 4th wicket of this Bangladesh first innings. He finishes with figures of 4 for 42.
Starts off with a no ball, and that will go a long way towards the boundary. It gets there. Put away quite easily. Oh, that came back quite sharply. Oh, that's beautifully timed by Trescothick. That's away through the covers for 4 runs. Pulled away this time by Strauss. He didn't get all of that, but it's away behind square leg for another boundary.
What a good shot that is. That's a superb time shot from Andrew Stroughton. Brings up the 50 for England.
Pulled away again, that'll be 4 more. Well, 4 fours in a row. Neither fielder has moved as that one goes away for extra cover as well. This one is going to run away over the rope for 4. Another cracking shot. The fielders have given up the chase already. What a way to finish the session for Marcus Trescothick and England. Beautiful shot. Drifting into Strauss's leg stump. Too short, flashes away past square leg. And up comes Andrew Strauss's 50. Applause from his captain from the balcony. Well, it all started here for Andrew Strauss just 12 months ago. Well, there's an inviting gap at cover, and once again Trescothick finds it. Anwar Hossain looks perplexed.
He's got quite a good arm ball, Rafiq. Good quicker thing. There, brings slip into play. Down the slope. And a chance.
Well, you called it, Nas. And that's put away. That brings up Marcus Trescothick's 50. This is 4th at Lord's.
More runs on the leg side for Strauss.
Oh, that's gone fine. That'll race all the way. That's nicely tucked away off the hip. This time, though, he might not say that out. Play across it. And he's trapped in front.
Well, that's in the air. It's going down towards long leg and wide of him. Michael Vaughan not in control of that shot.
Does it? Has he dropped it? I think he has.
Well, he certainly got the practice he did before. This time he made it perfect. That's 4 again. Short and wide. This time just a bit further in front of square.
Run.
That's very nicely timed by Trescothick and will race past the fielders for 4. Well, there have been 1 or 2 chances. That's very difficult. Bowler in his follow-through, changing direction. Well, Vaughan's onto that in a flash. Overpitched, that's gone through and will bring Marcus Trescothick his first ever century at Lord's. His 11th Test match 100.
Flowing stroke from Michael Vaughan. Through extra cover off the back foot.
It's poor.
And it's 4 as well. It's those simple little things that let Bangladesh down. Tucked away off his hip for a single. It will take him to 50. And again we'll go through all the way for 4. Use of the feet by Vaughan, and he's clipped that away. And it's going to run away again for 4. This outfield is very, very quick. Lovely shot. All control and timing from Michael Vaughan. Beautifully played pull stroke from Vaughan. It's going to bring him 4 more.
Pulled away again. Has found the gap as well. Great shot. Just needs someone to throw that one back. That's beautifully timed. That's just raced away. It's over extra cover or through the gap as well. It was high.
That's a quality sweep shot. Man out, As you say, at Lord's, you only have to be 5 yards away from that sweeper.
That should go all the way, I think. It's all downhill. That brings up his 150, Marcus Trescothick. Another landmark reached. 211 deliveries. Found the gap again. Another boundary. Found the gap again. Long chase and already given up. Just short, and he gets a single, Michael Vaughan. That's the century at Lord's, his 5th on this ground, his 14th overall.
Nicely played by Trescothick. In fact, it's beautifully played and wonderfully timed.
Trescothick helps himself to his 22nd boundary.
Gone, just a thin edge. So the old ball has done its trick. Mortazar has got his reward. He's played very well all the way through the innings. A little bit of extra bounce, and Michael Vaughan has gone.
Smashed away through that straight mid-wicket. We've seen a lot of Trescothick boundaries through there. Well, he goes this time. He's not going to get that double century. Trescothick is caught behind off Rahim. That's nicely played by Bell. Away for 4. That's away to the boundary.
Well, that might just have been a little chance. Last ball of the over, still 442 for 3, but it was very, very sharp. Let's put it that way. Mohammad Ashraful is the fielder there. It's a glorious shot from Ian Bell. That's found the gap. Found it rather nicely too. Beautiful. It's all timing again from Ian Bell.
Well, that's 4th. And Kyle Harper making sure that he was safe. There it is. That's his 50, Ian Bell.
Well, another misfield. And away for 4. Nice shot from Thorpe. And that will bring up the partnership of 100 runs between Ian Bell and Graham Thorpe. Overpitched again and smashed away through extra cover. That's 4 more. Well, Thorpe had to hurry up there, but Darryl Harper doesn't need to consult Jeremy Lloyd, the TV replay umpire. Well, Michael Vaughan calls a close to the England innings. 528 for 3.
It's carved away through cover, and it's 4. An aggressive stroke. Edged, gone, snapped out of the air by Flintoff. He made it look so easy. Coming across in front of Trescothick at first slip. That's a really good catch, made to look so simple. And Iqbal has gone. On for the pull and middled it this time. Streaking away across the boundary for 4. Have another go, says Haggard, and Habibul does. It's going to be 4 more.
That's over the top, and this one will be 4. That's got more pace on it. Less height, more pace. And he goes again. And he's fallen for the trap. That's a very poor dismissal. Simon Jones delighted that his first ball brings him a wicket. Matthew Hoggard is the man out at deep square leg who's taken the simplest of catches there. That's a very sweet shot. Made that look very, very easy indeed. He's timed it beautifully.
Caught. That's his second wicket, Simon Jones. The old man, Graham Thorpe, takes a catch at forward short leg. Caught at gully. It helps when you're 6'8" and have long arms.
I tell you what, it's a good catch as well. We've seen 2 very good catches.
He's not waiting on the umpire. Eventually the finger goes up, but he's not waiting the batsman. Rahim departs. He has hooked again. 4 runs though. Overslips this time. Another boundary. Well bowled, but that will go all the way as well. Simon Jones won't cut that off. 3 4s in a row.
Lovely shot. That's away for extra cover past Jones. And that races away to the boundary. It's a pretty good shout. And up goes the finger. So success in the very first over of the day for Matthew Hoggard. After Ahmed goes for 32. Well, he doesn't last very long. Up goes the finger. Rafiq goes for a golden duck. 97 for 7. The end's not far away now. 2 wickets in 8 balls for England. Well, he's gone as well. First ball. Stephen Harmison is on a hat-trick. Mortiser getting into line, but just helping the ball into his stumps. What a wretched start to the 3rd day for Bangladesh. They've lost 3 wickets. There's a big shout. The verdict is not out. Smashed away through point. A real tail-ender swish. It takes Bangladesh into 3 figures after 24 overs. They're 101 for 8. Cracking shot away through mid-off. Over pitch from Hoggard. That's away through mid-off again. A repeat dose for Hoggard. That will run away over the rope.
A pleasant looking drive through the offside this time. Helped by the slope. And the slope just enough to take it all the way to the boundary as well for Khalid Mashood. There's the edge, there's the catch. Simon Jones has finally made this breakthrough. It's been a fine partnership. But it finishes with that partnership worth 58. That could be different. That is the end of this test match. England don't have to wait long at all to finish it off. Having thought the previous delivery they had just a little brush of the glove. That wasn't the case, but this time that's ended safely in the hands of Graham Thorpe. And England have completed victory over Bangladesh, the first test of the summer.